Hi, my name is Marvin Davis, and today I will be doing my fall semester project on IoT and IoE. So, what is IoT and IoE? Well, IoT stands for the Internet of Things, which definition of that is the interconnection via the Internet of computing devices embedded into everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. IoE stands for Internet of Everything. And the definition of that is the network connection of people, process, data, and things. Well, if we look at those definitions, we tend to ask ourselves, well, what's the difference? Well, the difference is the Internet of Things focuses on physical objects, while the Internet of Everything focuses on four constituents: people, things, data, and processes. Simply put, the Internet of Things involves the interconnectivity of physical objects and data input and output, while the Internet of Everything is a comprehensive term that refers to the interconnectivity of various technologies, processes, and people. Well, if we're saying there's various versions of interconnectivity, then that's saying that Internet of Everything is a various version of the Internet of Things. The biggest difference is that the Internet of Everything focuses on four things, while the Internet of Things just focuses on one thing. The Internet of Everything has things inside of it: people, things, data, and processes. So it goes into a deeper and broader level the Internet of Things does. As we look at some examples, these examples I have will show why in a second. Well, examples of IoT would be elderly care monitoring, soil monitoring, concrete infrastructure monitoring, smart door locks, predictive machine maintenance, smart fire extinguishers, smart detectors, and etc. and etc. Wow. Examples of IoE would be a system that lets a dog in, a woman who brews her coffee, an automatic front door, and a driverless car. Well, if we go back to the definitions or the difference, the IoT or IoE, focuses on four constituents: people, things, data, and processes. If we look at our examples, back to our examples of IoE, woman, that's a person, people. It focuses on specific people. IoT is kind of the data and the process behind it, the modern monitoring, the censoring, and stuff behind it. While IoE also focuses on that when it comes to things like automatic front door, which are sensors, and a driverless car, which senses and monitors things around you. A system that lets a dog in, which is sensors. IoE is sensors, but it's much more. It comes to different things and different levels to it behind just being IoT. So IoE is just a broader version with multiple and more topics to base off of. It's pretty much everything, while Internet of Things is just one specific thing, which is physical objects. Internet of Everything goes into a deeper level of everything that you encounter on a daily basis.